So I wanted to do a quick video of the wildflowers. I wanted it to go all the way up the hill. It's about a mile up to the top. But my battery on my phone's about to die. And my quad just died. So let's try to see if I can get this thing started, and we'll just go up over the bridge over here and I'll show you some of the flowers that are growing right now. So let's see what we can see. I already see these lupines. These are wild lupines. And then of course there's tons of sagebrush. And there's this. I can't remember what that's called. I'll have to look stuff up and tell you what it is. There's a whole bunch of that through here. I really wanted to show you these Mariposa lilies that grow wild around here. They're the cutest things you've ever seen. I don't see any on this lower part. There's a ton way up. You can see the elevation. It goes up about another 600 feet from where we are. And at that upper elevation, there's tons of those Mariposa lilies. There's wild iris through here. Tons of noble yarrow. It's getting late in the season though. Yeah, there's not a lot along here. So let's go back and see if we can find any of those Mariposas. Those are the coolest things ever. I have to save that for next time. Oh, my phone's gonna die. Just got a buzz. All right, well, it's a little better view of what's going on up top. Not a lot of flowers, so we'll do it next time. Here's a view back towards the homestead. Eventually our house will be down there. Happy gardening.